Here are three of my favorite quick and easy midweek spaghetti dishes.
Butter, lemon and sage spaghetti, a pasta that you will fall in love with it. Start by cooking your spaghetti in plenty of salted boiling water. And cook them until al dente or slightly undercooked. Cut in half a beautiful lemon. Get yourself some nice and fresh sage leaves and a good knob of butter. Now in a very nice and hot pan, add the butter along with the sage and a good pinch of freshly ground black pepper. And stir it all together. Before the butter starts burning, add the ladle of the pasta water. Now go straight in with the cooked pasta. And a little bit more of pasta water. Stay there and stir it until it gets nice and creamy. Now you can remove the sage, turn the heat off and add the lemon juice.
Now get ready to plate up.
And finish with our butter, sage and lemon sauce. Add a good sprinkle of cheese and finish with some black pepper. The flavor of the butter, the sage, the acidity of the lemon and the cheese, it just works. Enjoy. Have you ever made a vegetarian carbonara? We're gonna use pecorino cheese, eggs and black pepper for a beautiful cream, and instead of guanciale, we're gonna use seasonal courgette. Cut the courgette like you would cut a guanciale, so into large diced pieces. We're gonna replace the fat from the guanciale with loads of extra virgin olive oil. Cook the courgette on a medium-high temperature until nice and golden, but they still hold the shape together. And don't forget to add loads of black pepper. For the carbonara cream, I like to use 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk per person. Freshly ground black pepper, grated pecorino cheese, loads of it, and beat it all together until a nice and thick cream has formed. The pecorino is quite savory already, so watch out with the salt, don't use too much. The carbonara cream is done, the courgette are cooking. Now just cook your pasta. The pasta is perfectly cooked al dente. Now I'm gonna turn the heat off from the courgette and transfer it straight in. Now add the carbonara mix inside, and the residual heat of the pan and the pasta is gonna cook the eggs to perfection. And now quickly give it a nice mix all together. If it's becoming too thick, just add a little bit of pasta water. Now give it a bit of love. It's so creamy, look at that. If you never try carbonara like this, now is your excuse. Super creamy, it's seasonal, it's summery, it's carbonara estiva, summer carbonara. So many of you over the years ask me, Francesco, what's your favorite pasta? And you know what? Easy, simple, delicious. Spaghetti al pomodoro. Should we get cooking? Let's do it. If you can, buy the best good quality olive oil for this pasta. Really important. Infuse the oil with the garlic like this and cook it for about a minute maximum. Tomatoes goes in. A good pinch of salt. Next, loads of basil. Just whip with your hands and put it inside. Oh, the smell. It's incredible. Look at those colors. Touch of water. Cover and cook it for about 5-10 minutes maximum. Place the garlic back inside. So good. I'm not joking. You need to buy the best tomatoes. Okay, pasta, spaghetti is going inside right now. Okay, finishing touches. Really important. Pasta water, olive oil, fresh basil, grana padano, I can confirm is my favorite.